12.3. Sum number 9 and 10. Then I will solve the start physics. So read the question number 9. A road roller takes 750 complete revolution to move once over to level the road. Find the area of the road if the diameter of the road roller is 84 centimeter. So first of all, what I've given? So roller, that roller like the shape of, tell me the chat box, what is the geometrical shape of roller? Quickly, what is cylinder? Yes. So that sum is related to cylinder. Okay. So and what I've given? That diameter is given 84 centimeter. 84 centimeter. Okay. So what will be the radius? Obviously 42 centimeter. Okay. Now roller, how much area is level by a wheel of roller? It means we need to find the lateral surface area, that is 2 pi RH. Okay, 2 pi RH, that means 2 into pi, and it is given its length is 1 meter. Its length is 1 meter. Students, length is 1 meter. That is taken as 1 meter. 1 meter change into centimeter to 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter. 22 by 7. R means 42 and height or length, that is 100 centimeter. So 6. So it will be 44 into 6 into 100. So 44 into 6. 44 into 6. 44 into 6, that you will get 264 for 00 centimeter cube. If the roller move once, rotate once, so that area, sorry, that not cube, that square, that area should be leveled. Okay. Now to level the road, it need to take 750 revolution. So what is the area that is area is leveled by the roller? So total area for one revolution, it can level this area. For 750, 26400 into 750. 26400 into 750. So you will get that area. Now it's a big multiplication, students. Just find it that in centimeter square, change into meter square. Okay, change into meter square to meter. Change into meter square. What will I divide here? Tell me quickly. What will I divide here? 110. Yes, 10,000. Honor. Very good. So 10,000. So 0, 0, 0. So you will get. I think. You will get, that is divided it by 2 and it 15. 132 into 15. 132 into 15. You will get most probably 1980 meter square. That area should be level by the roller having diameter 84 centimeter and length of the roller 100 centimeter. Okay? Clear it is? Clear it is, everyone? Clear it is? Rajat, Kinton. Okay. Now moving on the next sum. A company package its milk powder in a cylindrical container whose base has diameter of 14 centimeter and height 20 centimeter. The company places a level around the surface of container. Okay. Okay. So question number 10. These sums are very much important from the point of view of your exam. Question number 10. Question number 10, that is, so a container like a cylindrical shape cylindrical shape, total height that is 20 centimeter. That height is 20 centimeter. Okay, and that length that length is 2 centimeter. That length is 2 centimeter. Here it is given here it is given a level that is powered milk. Powered milk, a level is given there, and diameter is 14 centimeter. Diameter is 14 centimeter. Okay, so question is what is the area of level? What is the area of level, that portion you need to find. Tell me what I need to do. First of all, what I have given, so r equal to 7 centimeter, it is clear, and what is the height of the cylindrical level? That level is also cylindrical, so height of cylindrical level. Anyone can say what is the height of cylindrical level? Or not 10. Anyone else? That is given 2. That 2, it means it is also 2 centimeter. So what that height, though is it not at proportion like the measure, because it looks like a very small, but according to data, this one is 2 centimeter, this one is 2 centimeter. So what will be the, yes or not, Clinton, that is 16 centimeter. That level of the height of the level, that is 16 centimeter. That is yes, that level is also a cylindrical level. So what is the area? Area means you need to find the surface area. So surface area, that is surface area of level. Formula, what is the formula? Quickly, Ishita, okay, 16 centimeter, very good. 2 pi r h, okay, 2 pi r h, that is 2 into pi into r into h. So 2 into 22, pi means 22 by 7, r means 7, and h means 16. (704 centimeter square). 704 centimeter square. It is the area. Got it, everyone? 704 centimeter square. It is the area of the level. So these two sums have completed. Now tell me, students, which chapter is left for completion of syllabus? How much syllabus is left to complete?